Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Messenger account. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Messenger. Click on three bars on the top left. Click on the gear icon in the top. Scroll down and here you can see account center. Click on see more in account center. And here you need to click on personal details. Okay, and here you need to click on account ownership and control, and here you can see two options. You simply need to click on deactivation or deletion and select your Facebook. Here you can see deactivate account, delete your account is permanently. Click on that, click on continue, and here you can see that Messenger and all of your messages will also be deleted. Click on that, and here you need to click on continue, and here you need to select the reason. So I'm going to select I no longer find Facebook useful, so it is up to you. Click on continue, click on continue again. So before deletion you can go all these activities, and after that you need to click on continue. Here you need to click on enter your password and click on continue. Once you done that, your account will be deleted. And so this is the process. You can delete your Messenger account by this process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.